OKLO. It's on our big holding under buy now, pay later. We see it going above 50. We have a nice update today, up $1.16. We had that 5-day pullback. This is perfect for you people that are not invested and you're looking for huge opportunity. You can get into OKLO, buy now, pay later program. It's right there on the homepage. It's right there on the website. You don't pay any capital gains tax, none. And you save thousands of dollars. You don't have to have credit. You don't have to have a stock account. You don't have to have any of that. All you have to do is call me immediately and make sure that you don't pass it up. We have a lot of plays that we've given, and many have worked. And all it takes is a $15,000 pop on buy now, pay later. Yeah, I'm not joking you. And stay tuned.